Let's get your top story in a stunning own goal that has pushed the Congress on the back foot. Senior party leader Sam Pitroda stoked the debate over the BJP's allegations that the Congress is planning a redistribution of wealth. Mr. Pitroda's example of an inheritance tax in the United States has added fuel to that fire, and the Congress has been trying to douse. Now, the Congress has distanced itself from the statement that was made, those remarks that were made by the senior leader, and said that they do not reflect that party's position whatsoever. Now, Pawan Khera, in the meantime, has gone on to say that the Congress's stand is very clear and has dismissed the claim, saying that there is no such thing in the manifesto, while Amit Shah has gone on to react, saying that this exposes the mentality of the Congress, while the Prime Minister is rattled, is how Rahul Gandhi is retorting, saying that the Congress manifesto has rattled the Prime Minister and it aims to give back 90% Indians a part of the 16 lakh rupees given to the big businesses as a loan waiver. Let's just listen in to what was said.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now, that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now, you must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it, which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it, public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of the day, but when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich only.
And let's just listen in to what Home Minister Amit Shah had to say, attacking the Congress over those remarks that were made by Sam Pitroda.
आज सैम पित्रोड़ा जी के बयान ने कांग्रेस का मकसद देश के सामने स्पष्ट कर दिया है। वो देश के जनता की निजी संपत्ति का सर्वे कर निजी संपत्ति को सरकारी खजाने में डालकर जो उन्होंने यूपीए के शासन में तय की थी प्रायोरिटी कि देश के संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार माइनॉरिटी और उसमें भी मुस्लिम लोगों का है।
And Amit Malia put out a message on X on the social media platform saying that the Congress has decided to destroy India. Now, Sam Pitroda's advocates 50% inheritance tax for wealth redistribution. This means 50% of whatever we have built with all our hard work and enterprise will be taken away. 50% beside all the tax we pay, which too will go up if the Congress prevails. We also have Himanta Biswa Sarma putting out a message on X saying family advisor is spilling the beans. Their intention is organize loot and legalize plunder of your hard-earned money. That's the message that's being put out on X by Himanta Biswa Sarma.